Very good morning to all of you. Yesterday, the markets were so volatile after the announcement of GDP data. Initially, we had a good rally, a decent rally in the market, but it could not sustain at the higher levels and it erased gain towards the afternoon session, and that too with very high volatility. At one point in time, market went into the negative zone, but recovered slightly and closed in the positive, closed slightly in the positive note. The global markets were positive, but only because of the domestic data we tracked yesterday. And the US markets came down in yesterday's trade after Ben Bernanke, as the statements did not give any positive boost for the market people. It was actually disappointing for the market because he did not signal any positive growth in the nearest future. So that's why the markets reacted about half to 1% in yesterday's trade. That is first time in last 5 trading sessions. And today is the first day of March. Overall, if you look at the last month, the February also market extended its gain, and the overall on a monthly basis, the second month also we closed in a positive note. So today the ONGC's share auction is starting, so there will be some volatility because of that. And the Muthoot Finance is coming out with the third IPO, third NCD in a row. It's about 5 billion rupees that will be starting on Friday. Then some of the other shares like auto sector will be in focus as most of the companies will unveil their sales figures starting from today. So all those companies will be in focus, and we are expecting the market to be very volatile in the coming days also, because as we mentioned before, there are a lot of events in the pipeline. Budget is there, RBI policy is there, election result is there, so all these events could impose some volatility in the market. And the slower GDP signals another rate cut possibility from the RBI. So the market people are expecting another rate cut in the coming RBI's meet. All the bank sector and interest rate sensitive like realty would be in focus towards that. And some of the pre-budget, some of the stocks for the budget is like especially the railway stocks do perform before the budget, the fertilizer, and some of the rate sensitive sector would perform towards the budget. So that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.